What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here, and guess what? This is probably the most exciting video of the year that I've created because my last Clickbank for Beginners video was a huge hit. 2018 version. This is the 2019 version, and my goal within this video is to get you to your first $10,000 in 1 month and help you making a consistent $10,000 a month thereafter. So if you're excited for this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe because I'm uploading videos pretty dang frequently, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Okay, so you can see I'm on the Clickbank website right here. The first thing that you want to do is create an account. It's free to create an account. You just got to complete 3 steps. Your personal information, banking information, account information, this is all kept privately. I've been using Clickbank for the past decade, and they've paid on time, week by week and month by month. And as you can see here, this is my 2018 paychecks. You'll notice that I've made $68,066.14. So you can actually see starting from 7/18/2018, it only goes back, I think, about 6 months or so. So you're not seeing the data before that, but you're seeing payouts almost weekly since that date, okay? So I'm gonna show you in this video how to make $68,000 or even more. This is just one of my income streams. I've built a multiple 6-figure yearly business online. Not only do I use Clickbank, but I use some other advertising networks and some independent networks as well. And I'll talk about that at the end of this video. But Clickbank is great for beginners because all you really need is a little bit of time, a little bit of heart, and a little bit of creativity. You don't need any money whatsoever. So when it comes to online marketing, you obviously need visitors to a website, to a sales funnel. And the idea is to let all that whole sales process do the selling and telling for you. So as an affiliate, all you really need to focus on is getting traffic, getting eyeballs to that affiliate product. Okay, so the way that I got started 5 years ago, I didn't have a whole lot of money. I was actually $16,000 in debt. So I literally had nothing, but what I did have was I had my laptop, I had a web camera, and I had a heart. And that's all you really need to get started. A lot of people say you need X amount of dollars to get started, and a lot of people have excuses like they don't have the time, they don't have the money. Well, you do not need the money, and I'm gonna prove that to you here within this video. So the method that we're going to be using and leveraging to help you get traffic to a Clickbank product is going to be YouTube. And you're not going to need any previous experience on the YouTube platform or shooting videos whatsoever. So if you don't want to shoot videos, do not worry at all, because I'm going to show you a way that you can outsource this whole entire process. As you can see here, this is my YouTube channel, and I've got over 35,000 subscribers to date. And my whole entire channel focuses on one theme, and yours should too, especially when you're getting started. Mine focuses on affiliate marketing / how to make money online. So yours can be anything. It could be all about electronics, gadgets. It could be about reviews on television. So you could go like super niche specific or go a little bit more broad. So you want to make sure that you focus in on one niche, whether it's in the health industry, the wealth industry, the electronics industry, the relationship industry. Pick one specific niche within that industry. Maybe it's, again, the relationship niche, and you're helping guys get their ex back, right? Because there's tons of products, believe it or not, on Clickbank, and they actually sell. So let's go ahead and let's dive in a little bit about how to select a product and then how to market that product using and leveraging YouTube. So you'll want to go out there, you'll want to create a YouTube channel. You can find out how to do that just by Googling it. It's fairly simple. I want to show you the things in this video that is not often shared, all my little secrets. So make sure that you watch it till the very, very end, okay? So you're going to want to go to, again, we're going to go to clickbank.com. I'm just going to go to my dashboard here. Again, you can see that this is obviously a legitimate account. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the marketplace. I'm just going to click marketplace right here. And then I'm going to scroll down, and you can see all the products are sorted by category. And there's thousands upon thousands of digital products here in Clickbank. And I love promoting digital products because there's very little to virtually no overhead. and they pay anywhere between 50% all the way up to about 90% commissions versus promoting like physical products from Amazon.com, which will pay anywhere between 2% and 6% commissions. So in this case, we're just going to go to the health and fitness category. And then what I like to do is I like to sort by popularity or even gravity. So you can see this is actually the most popular product here in the health and fitness category. The average sell amount is $37.12. So a good quality product. When you want to promote this product, let's say we do want to promote this product, I'm going to click promote. This window pops up, has our account nickname that we created when we signed up. And then all we need to do is click generate hop links. And then it gives us this long, ugly hop link right here. And we can actually copy that and we can share it out there on the internet. There's also tools out there like Bitly. There used to be a Google tracking tool. There's Clickmagic, where you can take this long, ugly link and make it smaller and sexier and more enticing to click. So just something to think about when you're sharing your links out there on the internet. So what we want to do is we want to take this link and we want to share it out there on YouTube. So let's say that we do want to promote Flat Belly Fix. And let's say that we want to promote it on YouTube. What we're going to need to do is go over to YouTube. And then what I would do is I would type in something that relates to losing weight in my belly. So you know that this product is obviously all about losing weight and losing weight in the belly because of the title of it. If you don't really know that much about the product, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on it right here. And you're going to want to watch the full sales video. This is called a sales video or a VSL. And you'll want to watch the whole thing so you can get a general idea of what the product's about. So a lot of people will look at like a weight loss product and they'll just think, oh, it's about losing weight, which is too broad when it comes to going out there and trying to generate traffic around a broad topic or a broad product like, just losing weight. Most of the money is going to be in a sub niche, like losing weight in the belly or getting a tighter waist or getting a nicer booty, right? So you're going to want to go into like a specific niche, and then you want to create your channel around that specific niche. Okay, so this one is all about losing weight and losing weight specifically in the belly, of course. And so what you want to do is you just want to type in a general keyword that somebody would type in to find this specific product. So what we're doing here is we're using YouTube search engine to go out there and find out what people's problems are, and then we're the middleman to lead them to the Clickbank product. So in this case, it's all about how to lose belly fat. And what we want to do is we want to write down the 3 or even 4 videos that show up at the very top. This is actually a paid ad, so we don't worry about this one. So what I would do is I would actually copy all these links here, and I would save these links to a notepad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to new document if I can, if this actually lets me. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these links. I'm going to copy the link address here, go back over to the notepad. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to do that with the rest of these videos as well. So now that I've got them saved, what I want to do is I want to go to each of these links and I want to find out, I want to take notes on what the videos are about. Okay. What you can even do is you can even take the transcript, believe it or not. This is like high level stuff right here. You can actually take this link, take all 5 links, go over to rev.com, and this does cost a little bit of money, okay? But it's not going to cost you too much, especially with the outcome that you're going to get. And then what you can actually do is go to services and go to captions right here, or you can even go to transcription because we want this initially transcribed. It's $1 a minute. I would click get started. And then I would paste the URLs right here. So we would have 5 and I would paste them all right here. And I would add them. And then what you can do is you can pay for them. So they pay, per minute. So if it's a 5-minute video, you'll pay $5. But we want 5 of these videos. And then once we get 5 of these videos, what we want to do is, of course, we get the transcription. Once we've got the transcription, Then we want to hire somebody to reword these specific transcriptions because we want them to be unique. We don't want to copy somebody's content. So what you can do is you can go to Fiverr.com. This is Fiverr right here. And then you can actually pay $5 to have somebody rewrite the transcription that you just created. Okay, and you can just start with one video. You can start with a bulk of 5 videos. So what you can do, like this person right here charges $15. This person charges $5. This person charges $45. So you want to go with a gig that has really good rating, a lot of ratings, and at least 4 to 5 stars. So this is a good pick. What you can also do is, instead of just typing in rewriter, because it looks like Fiverr's not finding a lot of rewriters based on that search term, what you can also do is just go to writing and translation. And then you can look through here and go to like creative writing. And then you can go through here and find out, if there's somebody available that would rewrite your transcriptions. Okay, and it might take a little bit of research to do that. But once you do that, you now have 100% unique content, line by line transcription. And then what you can do is you can actually go to video and animation, and you can have like a spokesperson video created. You can have a whiteboard and animation explainers video created. I like a spokesperson because when you have a talking head video of an actual human being, that helps quite a bit. So you can hire somebody here, and then what they can do is they can essentially create the same content right here. And then what you would do is you would take that content, you would put it on your channel, and you would take the same titles out of these videos, okay? And you would change them up slightly. So like this one, workouts for women, how to lose weight in your belly with exercises. So that would be kind of like a small variation. And then what I would do is I would click on the video here. And then you can see on the right-hand side, I've got a plugin called vidIQ. Okay, you can just go to google.com, type in vidIQ toolbar. You can download it. And then what it'll do is it'll reveal the video tags for this video. So what I would do is I would slightly change the subtitle here. I would keep this title the same on all my videos. The first of the title, keep that the same. Change the subtitle right here a little bit. Reword your description, and I would model the exact framework of all these videos because they're ranking for a reason. This video has 2 million views for a reason. So if you can take the same framework, the same content, reword that content legally and ethically, and then copy the tags here, chances are you're going to rank for the same keyword, how to lose belly fat, the same search phrase, and you're also going to start to show up in this suggested video section. And then the only difference that you would make is you would put your affiliate link. Remember that first link that we generated? You would put that right here. Right? So the first 5 to 10 videos, yeah, it's going to require some investment. It's going to require a little bit of time on your part, but you don't have to be on video. If you want to be on video, you can take like the content from the first 3 videos, add your own content to it, and now you have your own script that you can talk on. So that's another way that you can do it. The reason why these videos rank so well is because of the content. Right? There's different factors that determine videos that rank at on YouTube. And one is what you're saying in the video, the content itself, how long people are watching the video for, then the title, the description right here, and the tags. So those are the 4 things that you're going to want to be familiar with when uploading a YouTube video. But money likes speed, and it's all about a lot of content on YouTube. Heck, if you don't have any money, you can transcribe all these videos yourself. You can rewrite them all by yourself. Yeah, it's a little mundane and monotonous and redundant, but how bad do you want it? And once these videos rank, they're getting thousands upon thousands, even millions of views, and you're selling products on Clickbank, though the work's going to definitely be worth it. So create your theme channel, upload videos daily, take ideas from other videos, upload your own unique content, modeling what other videos have done, and you'll see a lot of results from that. I actually did that with a Fortnite video. If I type in how to make money with Fortnite, so you can see it's right here, 183,000 views, and I put this up 7 months ago. So this process definitely works. So step 1, you're going to need to set up an account with Clickbank. Step 2, create your theme channel that drills deep in one niche. Step 3, pick your product. Step 4, use a general keyword around that product, type it into YouTube. Step 5, look at the top 5 results or so of YouTube, take those videos, have them transcribed, have the transcriptions rewritten, and then videos created out of those from a spokesperson on Fiverr. Go ahead and upload them, optimize them, modeling the title, description, and tags of other videos, and put your affiliate link in the description, and you're good to go. So I hope you got value from this video on Clickbank for beginners here in 2019. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business, not just with Clickbank, but with higher ticket items, working less and making more, check out the link in the description below for more information on that. And we'll see you guys in the next video.